How to file a personal injury claim for injuries from a defective household product. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to file a personal injury claim for injuries caused by a defective household product. Every day we use household products like appliances, electronics, furniture, and cleaning supplies. When these products work as they should, they make life easier. But if a product is defective, it can cause serious injuries. If you or a loved one has been hurt by a faulty product, you may be entitled to compensation. Let's go through the step to file a claim. The first thing you should do is seek medical attention. Injuries from defective household product can range from burns and cuts to electronic shock and even poisoning. Even if your injuries seem minor, it is important to see a doctor. Some injury can get worse over time, and having medical records will be important for your claim. Keep copies of all medical documents, including test result, prescription, and treatment plan. These will serve as proof of your injuries. Next, preserve the defective product. Do not throw it away or try to fix it. The product itself is key evidence in your case. Store it in a safe place along with any broken parts, packaging, or instruction. If possible, take photo and video of the product, your injuries, and where the accident happened. If there were witnesses, ask for their contact information. Witness statement can help confirm what happened. After gathering evidence, check if the product has been recalled. Sometimes manufacturers recall dangerous product due to safety concern. You can check the Consumer Product Safety Commission's CPSC website or other government recall databases to see if your product has been reported as defective. Even if it has not been recalled, you may still have a strong case if the product caused harm due to a defect. Now, let's talk about liability. To file a successful claim, you need to prove that the product was defective and that the defect caused your injuries. There are three main types of product defects. The first is a design defect, which means the product was unsafe from the beginning because of a flaw in its design. The second is a manufacturing defect, which happens when there is a mistake in how the product was made, even if the design was safe. The third is a failure to provide proper warning or instruction, meaning the product did not include warning about risk or clear instruction for safe use. Identifying the type of defect will help us strengthen your claim. Once you determine the defect, you need to identify who is responsible. Liability can fall on different parties, including the manufacturer, the retailer, or even the distributor. The manufacturer is often responsible if the product was defective due to design or production issue. A, re- a retailer may also be liable if they sold a dangerous product. If multiple parties were involved in distributing or selling the product, they could all share responsibility. It is also important to check if the product had any warranty or safety guarantees. If the product was advertised as safe or come with a warranty, this can help prove that the manufacturer or seller is responsible for your injury. Keep all receipt, packaging, and product manuals as evidence. Consulting a personal injury lawyer is highly recommended. Case involving defective product can be complex and proving liability requires a strong evidence. A lawyer can help gather additional proof, consult expert, and negotiate with the responsible parties or their insurance companies. Many personal injury lawyers offer free consultation so you can discuss your case before making any decision. After consulting a lawyer, the next step is filing a claim. This usually starts with a demand letter sent to the manufacturer, retailer, or their insurance company. The letter should explain the detail of the accident, your injuries, and the compensation you are seeking. The responsible party may try to deny fault or offer a low settlement. Your lawyer will negotiate on your behalf to ensure you receive fair compensation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, you may need to file a lawsuit. During the legal process, both sides will present evidence and your lawyer will argue why the responsible party should be held accountable. Most product liability cases settle before going to trial, but if necessary, your case may be heard in court. You may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and other damage. If the injury result in long-term medical issue, you may also be able to claim future medical cost and reduce earning capacity. If the manufacturer or retailer act negligently or ignored known safety risk, you may be awarded additional damage. It is important to act quickly because product liability claims have a limit time. This is known as the statute of limitation. In most cases, you have between 1 and 4 years to file a claim. Depending on your state. If you wait too long, you may lose your right to seek compensation. If you or a loved one has been injured by a defective household product, do not hesitate to take legal action. A personal injury lawyer can guide you through the process and help you fight for the compensation you deserve. Taking the right step can help you recover your losses and hold the responsible party accountable. To summarize it, if you were injured by a defective household product, seek medical attention, preserve the product, gather evidence, check for recalls, identify the defect, determine who is responsible, consult a lawyer, and file a claim as soon as possible. A legal expert can guide you through the process and file and fight for the compensation you deserve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. Stay safe and see you in the next videos.